Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech, and in this video I'm going to talk about my experience with Hisense service. So first I'll talk about where it all began. I wanted to buy a 55-inch 4K TV, and first Hisense was not even in my budget or my consideration either. Firstly, I bought an Acer iSeries TV 55-inch. It costed me around 31 or 32,000 rupees. I had the delivery. At the same time, the installation guy came, unboxed it, installed it almost immediately after delivering the TV. And installation from Acer was pretty good, no issues there. But the TV itself had issues. Like there was light bleeding from the edges, so it was a manufacturing defect. And I raised a complaint with Amazon. A technician came from Acer, checked it, confirmed that there were issues with the TV, and he said that I'll get a replacement in a week or 3 days. Anyway, I waited for like 10 days, 15 days. I didn't get any response from Acer or Amazon. So then I contacted Amazon saying that, where's my TV? So they said, we didn't get any information back from Acer's technical assistant, something. So then no matter what, they took back the TV, gave me a full refund. Now again, I'm back to square one. And during this time, there was a Republic Day sale. It was 19th. I purchased this Hisense TV, E7K model, QLED model. It was around 37,000 rupees with 3,000 rupees instant discount. I got it for 34,000 rupees. It was pretty good. It was QLED. I was having a lot of expectations and all. I ordered it on 19th January and the TV was delivered on 23rd January. Okay, I was expecting some guy to show up at my home for installation. Nobody showed up. On 24th, the next day, I called Amazon and Hisense as well. They just said, sir, when was the TV delivered? 23rd. Okay, give us 3 days time. Within 3 days, our guy will come and install the TV. Okay, well and good. I waited. 23rd, 24th, 25th, no one came. 26th, holiday. 27th, I raised a complaint with Hisense. They created a service request and then sent me a message. When I asked for the reason, they couldn't give me any reason as to why the installation guy didn't come. So after that, anyway, I waited. 27th, no one came. 28th, Sunday. 29th, I received a message saying that the request was cancelled. I was like, what? No one even called me. Okay, I again called to Hisense, raised a request. Once again, the same story. They don't know why the earlier request got cancelled. They created a new request, told me to wait. I did the same. I guess after 1 day or 2 days, another message, request has been cancelled. I'm like, what the? I called Amazon again. They said, sir, we'll do something. We'll contact them. Once again, I request some message. Again, request cancelled. Finally, I lost completely. I was like, what the hell is going on with the installation team? With the installation itself, we'll see how good the company is responding to you and all. And with the first thing itself, they're just no show. Anyway, I waited for Amazon to come back, and after a few days, Amazon came back. Even they tried to contact Hisense, they didn't respond. So Amazon said, we'll take back the product. I'll say, okay, very good, take it back. So tomorrow this is gonna go away, and this has been my experience with Hisense. I'll be honest with you, before buying this Hisense TV, I've done a lot of research, watched a lot of YouTube videos, read a lot of comments, reviews on Amazon and Flipkart as well. And I've seen people complaining about installation issues, and I thought was like, okay, they might be somewhere far, some out of town area. But I'm from Hyderabad, and it's like, if you can't even provide me installation in a peak city like this, like what are you gonna do with other cities and all? Anyway, so the TV itself is good, technology is good, picture quality is all pretty good according to video reviews and all, but service is pretty horrible. Like as I've told you, TV was delivered on January 23rd. Today is February 6th. Until now, no call from Hisense about installation. Well, Amazon has already created a return pickup. It'll be picked up tomorrow. So that's the situation. Anyway, good TV, but my experience in Hyderabad, Habsiguda area is this bad. So guys, what do you think about Hisense? Have you bought any TV from them? How was your installation experience? How was their service in your city? What's your experience? Do let us know by commenting below this video. With that said, if you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, do subscribe to our channel, and that's it. See you next time. Bye bye.